What's going on, YouTube, and welcome back to another video. Bro, I'm always doing this and I'm always like building my own car. So in today's video, what I'm about to do is I'm going to show you guys the ultimate build for my dream car, so which is an M4. That's my next dream car. That, you guys know I'm a BMW fan and stuff like that. So we are in the BMW website. This is pretty much where you design your own car. If you're looking into like building or like ordering a car, this is pretty much how you do it. So I want an M4, so let's go ahead and click 4 series, right? I think. I don't even know, bro. I forgot how to do this. Where is it? Oh, right here. I want an X drive. I'm pretty sure that you can switch it on and off on the actual car, like whether you want it rear wheel drive or all wheel drive. So me personally, I would definitely get the X drive. So let's go ahead and design it. This is obviously preference, guys. If I had the money, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I would get, because this car is so fire, guys. Look at this. Oof. Just like this is already heat, but we're gonna see how much it would cost to order this car right now. First thing is asking for selecting the exterior. Let's kind of click them all, see what they look like here. So we got the Sao Paulo yellow. Sorry guys if I mispronounce stuff. I don't know how to speak. Let me see here. They got a whole bunch of colors, obviously. These are the free ones, the non-metallic. If you want metallic, then you gotta pay $650 for it, which I guess is not that bad for pretty much switching the whole color of the car. This red is different. I haven't seen this red before. My favorite color is red. I don't know if you guys can tell or if you guys knew that, but my favorite color is red. But this red is different. This is like a wine kind of red, and I've never seen this. For some reason, this is looking like fire to me. So we're gonna go ahead and pick that color. What is next? So we got that, the exterior color. Let's go ahead. Right now the car MSRP is at $84,650. Let's see what it goes up to by the time we finish. So the next things is the wheels. They come with you have a choice, either 19-inch, 20-inch rims. I think this is the one that everybody uses. That's probably why they have favorite selection here. So these just change the color on. It's the same wheel but different color. I'm thinking black, man. I need black. Black performance non-run flat. There we go. I'll probably get 20-inch, maybe 19. I don't know, depending. I had 20 on my 440. Don't ever get 20-inch rims, bro, on your 440. It's not right, bro. Especially if you lower the car. Like, it looked nice at first before I lowered it, but after I lowered it, I just run into a whole bunch of issues. So don't get 20-inch rims. Next, okay, so this is the seats. I will probably get bucket seats, but I don't think that's one of the options yet. But for the interior, so we got that wine red outside. In the inside, I've seen this color in the M4, and this color is so heat, bro. Like, I don't know if you guys seen this interior in person or those seats. These seats look so fire, bro. Like, so fire. And you don't even see that color that much. A lot of people obviously go with just red, because red is just looks nice. I've always wanted to have red seats, but I've just never had white. Yeah, I probably won't even be able to keep that clean. So, and I don't know how dirty they get, how fast and stuff like that. So I'm thinking either red or this Yas Marina blue. But I don't think this looks nice with the red outside. So we're gonna just go red for now. The trim is next. The trim pretty much is these stuff right here. So we can get the aluminum that, or you can get carbon fiber. A lot of people, if they don't get carbon fiber off the bat, like right away, then they just end up doing it later on. So open door black wood. This is more like a luxury like kind of thing. I need something like, you know what I'm saying, like let me get that carbon fiber all over the place kind of deal. This one's nice too, but I think I would go with just darker. Right now we're at 85,600. I think 85,600. Okay, so now this is the additional packages that you can get. Driving assistance. What is this? I don't need no driving assistance. I do want this though. Parking assistant package. What's the executive package even bring? Does it say? Can I read it? Oh, it's just right here. Power tailgate, heated steering wheel. Oh yeah. I need that. Definitely need the executive package. So what is this one then? The driving assistance. Driving assistant pro. Extended traffic. Oh no, I don't need that. We got the executive package. We also have the parking assistant package. I definitely need that because that camera, bro, comes in clutch, especially when you're parking. And this, it looks like you have like the overview too. So the Eagle view. So you can kind of see everything. So this comes with the heated steering wheels and all that, so I definitely need that. We got a couple other options and stuff like that. So we got the amp shadow light. Add a more aggressive appearance to your vehicle with the striking bold black inlay. I don't even know what the difference is, but let me get that. Boom. Then we got the extended shadow line trim. I don't even know what that is. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Sun moonroof. Honestly guys, I have a moonroof right now, but I barely be using it. Maybe it's just the weather. Front ventilated seats. Significantly more air to the microphone leather. I don't think we need that. I'm still trying to stay cheap. Like, I don't want to spend a lot of money, so I don't think I really need the front ventilated seats. Do we really? I don't know. We're gonna come back to this right here, this extended shadow line trim, because is that like, instead of black, it's gonna be like white? Yeah, no, I don't want that. Adaptive headlight. Yeah, we definitely need that. There we go. This is what I need right here. I really want these. The carbon bucket seats just look so fire, bro. And yeah, we need that. So far, if we look at the car, let's go back to the car real quick. Right now it's at 93,000. Yeesh! That's a lot of money, I'm not gonna lie to you. But let's go ahead and continue here. So we got the M shadow lights, the moon roof, yes. Front ventilated seats, I'm not sure. I don't know if we really need that. But we got the adaptive LED headlights, yes. Driver recorder, nah, I don't need that. What is that, like a camera? Like it records everything you're doing? Yeah, no, for $100. I already got a camera, I can just set it up on there, but nah. Wireless charging and Wi-Fi hotspot. I've never actually seen somebody talk about this, like the charging and the Wi-Fi hotspot. I don't even know how good it is. I don't think we need that for $100 now. I need the M Carbon exterior package for sure. I mean, I could always do it later on, but it's probably gonna be more expensive. Maybe not too expensive. Like if I wanted to build this car from scratch, I probably wouldn't, you know, put all of this stuff and then order it later on, so I can obviously create content out of it. M Professional, what is this? M Professional is perfect company for trips and extra dose of adrenaline. M track mode and 10. Oh, this is lit. That's fire. So you got like a track, but I don't even be going. That is cool. I don't know if it's $900 worth though. That just pretty much just tracks what you're doing. So nah, we good. $8,500 for M Carbon ceramic brakes. Yeah, no, that. I'm sure that thing better stop on a dime, bro. But for 8,500, yeah, nah, I'm good. I definitely need the red caliper. There we go. Would you guys get red or black calipers? I'm looking at like all red so far, so I'm thinking yeah, red calipers looking right. What is the driver package? M driver's package. In addition to racing the top speed of BMW's vehicles, the package also includes a one unique day high performance driving class at the. I don't need no driving class. Boy, I'm a professional. I don't need that. No, this is the maintenance program. No, I don't need any of this. What does it do? Oof, that's a lot. That's a lot of reading. Yeah, no, we don't need that, because you guys know we get this car, I'm tuning this to infinity and beyond. So like, nah, we good on that. But I don't think the red with this color really goes very much. So maybe what I would switch, if I were to keep this color, I would switch the my brakes. So let's go to, where is it, options. I would just put it black then. Let me put this black, right? We'll switch that to black, and then I think I would switch the interior color, because it just, I feel like it doesn't look right, bro. It just doesn't look right with the exterior, you feel me? Like the exterior is this color and the red just, nah, I think I need something different. So we would, yeah, black on black is alright. And then the interior, I would just, the only thing I would switch honestly is this right here, bro. So I will get, you don't really see this a lot. If you want to go for something different that you probably don't see, it's this color right here. This color is different, but like, I don't know, it's not really my style. Maybe I'll go white, bro. Nah, not white, not white. Yeah, I think I would just stick to the red, bro, honestly, because anything else just doesn't look right. Pretty much, this is it right here. This is the V. This is the V so far. Oof, that's so fire, bro. Oh man. And if anything, like, I obviously, if I didn't really want to keep this color, we can just go back and put, what does it look like with this color? You would really stand out with this, I'm not even gonna lie. This is nice too though. Like, this will go better. Oh, this is so fire. This, you really stand out for real. How does blue look like? You know what? We're gonna go red on red on red on red. So, yep, this is it right here. Let's be basic a little bit, because this is, it's red, bro, my favorite color. It just looks so nice, like with all the black and you know, maybe I would even go as far as changing the calipers into red too. But I think this is the dream car right here, guys. This is what I would get if I had the money to afford this car. This is the build right here, and it comes out to what? Let me get the summary. Comes out to 97,000. So let's say for example, if you wanted a, you know, could we do this, like an estimated payment on it? So let's say I wanted to trade in my car and it's worth like 30 bands, right? Okay, so if I were to trade in my car for 30,000, let's say, and I want to put, you know, let's say I put 5,000 cash down, with a, you know, 4.5, you know, APR for 60 months. For a lease, it's not too bad. Like a lease, 571, I could do that, you know. And if I even say I put 5,000 for a lease for 10,000, even 12,000 miles per year, That's still $500 a month for, that's 36. That's what, 2 months, 12, 24, 3 months, 3 years. I mean, that's not bad. Like if you were to lease it, it's cool. But if you were to buy it off the bat, you're looking at $1,200 a month, which is a lot of money. But this is more doable right here. So what if we click apply for a lease? No, I've never applied. What is this? It's gonna make me do a bunch of shit. Actually, no. Maybe. I'll do it. But nah, actually, we won't do that because next thing you know, they're just gonna be calling me a million times a day, and we don't really want to do that. But guys, this is it right here. This is the dream. This is the dream right here, man. If we were to get a car, you guys are looking at it, $97,000, $500 a month if you want to lease it, $1,200 if you want to buy it off the bat. So yeah, that's actually kind of crazy, you know what I mean? But that's pretty much gonna be the end of the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. You know, I gotta give credit where credit is due. I actually got this idea from a YouTuber I watch. His name is Slow Speed. I see him, he was ordering an M2, and then obviously I've been looking at BMWs all the time, and then I was like, you know what if, you know, I come on here and I pretty much just build my dream car and show you guys what it will come out to and the price and all of that stuff. Pretty much my dream build right here. So if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.